Hi everyone, let's make these beautiful baskets using paper plate and craft paper. As you can see, we're going to make multiple cut on the paper plate. Now you can use colorful strip of craft paper and weave it like we're doing here. Punch it from the sides like this, and you can also make a handle, paste some flowers, and look, it's ready. Here we're going to make these beautiful fish using the stick and thread. Let's get started. As you can see, we're going to put the stick like this and give it the shape of fish. Now we are using colorful thread and roll it like this and cover from the side. Now we're going to make the eyes as well, and look, these are ready. Look at this colorful craft. Here we're going to make two square frames and paste both of them together and make the star shape. Now we're going to paste the sellotape, and using this colorful yarn we're going to cover it from the side. After this, you can make some flowers using clay and paste it at the center part, and look, your beautiful hanging is ready. Let's make these colorful umbrellas. So we're going to take the square paper. You can see the measurement on the screen, and then we're going to cut it from the side, and look, it's ready. Now we're going to simply fold it from the top, and we're also adding some sticks for the strength on the base. Using this earbud, we're going to make the stick, and look, it's ready. Today we are going to make this clay craft, so let's get started. First we are going to make the stand for the swing using bamboo sticks, and look, it's ready. You can use colorful clays and make the flowers and leaves and vines and decorate it further. Now we are going to make the grass as well, and look, it's ready. Let's make the seed using clay. So paste all of them together, and look, it's ready. Look at this hat. Let's learn how you can make it. So we're going to make a hole on the cardboard and put this bottle cap at the center. Using this white yarn, we're going to cover the bottle cap. You can use double-sided tape. Similarly, we're adding more yarn on the side. Cut the extra part, and using clay, you can decorate it further. Look, it's ready. You can use it in so many ways. Let's make floral hanging. First we're going to make the flowers. So take 8 cm craft paper and then fold it into half. Then fold it from the sides and make this flower. Now we're going to make 5 such flowers and paste all of them together. Now we're going to make more such colorful flowers and paste like we're doing here in this video. Make 2 such shapes and put a thread at the center. Look, it's ready. Look at this very beautiful dinosaur. Oh, let's learn how you can make it at home. As you can see, we're going to take this orange color of craft paper, fold it into half, then we're going to fold it from the sides. Look how we're doing here in this video. Now flip it and then fold it again from the top and bottom. After this, we're going to make the mini folds. Look at the triangular part. Here we're going to make the hands of the dinosaur. Do the same from other side as well. Let's make the head now. So fold it from the top and then gently open it, and then we're going to press it and tuck it inside. Look like this. After this, we're going to again open it from the center part and further give it shape. So we're going to put the triangular part inside, and look, it's ready. Now we're going to make the legs of the dinosaur. So look how we are putting the paper inside from the back side, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.